Audi Digital Matrix LED headlights. When it comes to futuristic car technology, Audi's Digital Matrix LED headlights are in a league of their own. These aren't just ordinary headlights, they're more like high-tech projectors built right into your car. Each headlight is packed with around 1.3 million tiny micro mirrors, and together they can adjust up to 5,000 times per second. The result? A razor-sharp, perfectly focused beam of light that adapts instantly to your driving conditions. Think of it as movie projector technology, but engineered for the road. Inside each chip, about 1 million micro mirrors tilt thousands of times per second using electrostatic pulses. Paired with 3 powerful LEDs, they create an endless variety of lighting scenarios. For example, in the Audi e-tron Sportback or Q8 e-tron, the headlights can project a lane light, a dynamic strip of illumination that shows a safe path up to 50 meters ahead. They can even cast an orientation light, outlining your car's exact position on the road. Compared to traditional LEDs, these headlights are far more precise and versatile. It's a glimpse into how lighting is evolving, not just to help us see, but to make driving smarter and safer than ever. Futura trailers. Transporting high-performance machines like supercars, motorcycles, or snowmobiles requires more than just a regular trailer. You need something as advanced as the vehicles themselves. That's where Futura trailers come in. These trailers are designed with a perfect balance of strength, style, and smart engineering, making them some of the most impressive transport solutions on the market. Take the Super Sport model, for example. With a super low 3 degrees approach angle, it can easily load even the lowest sports cars without scraping. Built from premium 605 anodized aluminum, it's both lightweight and incredibly durable. The nearly indestructible front panel and reinforced flexible enclosure membranes make it tough enough for years of heavy use while keeping the overall design sleek and functional. Loading is effortless too, thanks to the side panels that unzip and swing open, giving quick access to secure your cargo. For those who need even more space, the Super Tourer takes things further with a deck length of 19 feet 8 in, width of 81 in, and a load capacity of 5,000 pounds. Glass skins rear window louvers. If you own a Chevy, Ford, Dodge, or Chrysler sedan, glass skins rear window louvers are a perfect way to give your car a modern, sporty upgrade. Designed with precision using digitally scanned CAD data, these louvers guarantee a perfect fit while still allowing excellent rear visibility. Unlike old-fashioned louvers that often block your view, these strike the right balance between style and function. They're built from marine-grade ABS plastic, making them durable, sun-resistant, and stable in all temperatures. Plus, about 30% of the materials are recycled, which shows a real commitment to sustainability. The gloss black finish looks sleek right out of the box, but you can also repaint or airbrush them to match your personal style. Installation is simple with pre-installed 3M panel bond tape, so no professional help is needed. Priced at around $460, they combine toughness, style, and easy customization in one package. Toyota Helix 6x6. The Toyota Helix is already a legend in the world of off-road trucks, but the 6x6 conversion takes it to an entirely new level. Built by specialist companies in Bulgaria, Australia, and the UK, this modified beast gets an extra axle and upgraded suspension, giving it unmatched stability and grip on even the toughest terrains. In fact, British builders have even created a firefighting version of the Helix 6x6, showing just how versatile it can be. Compared to high-priced alternatives like the Mercedes G-Class 6x6, the Helix version is far more budget-friendly while still delivering world-class performance. Off-road fans love its ability to handle rocky trails, mud, and steep climbs with ease. For adventurers, there's even a camper build, turning the Helix 6x6 into the perfect base for outdoor escapes. Whether it's for work, camping, or extreme off-road fun, the Toyota Helix 6x6 is built to go anywhere. Undercarriage car washing solution. Keeping the underside of a car clean is often overlooked, yet it's one of the most important parts to maintain. This undercarriage washing solution is designed to make the job fast, easy, and highly effective. Built with patented ramp technology, it stands only 5 inches high, making it effortless to drive onto and start cleaning. The setup is quick, requiring very little assembly and no special tools, which makes it perfect for both personal garages and commercial use. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, this system is tough, long-lasting, and fully compatible with high-pressure washing systems. It can handle up to 20 gallons per minute of hot or cold water, and it works with a wide pH range of cleaning chemicals, ensuring thorough dirt and salt removal. By blasting away debris, grime, and corrosive materials, it helps extend the life of your vehicle while saving mechanics time and effort. UTV truck racks. Transporting a UTV isn't always simple, especially when relying on bulky trailers. That's where UTV truck racks come in, offering a smarter and more efficient solution. These racks allow you to secure your side-by-side above your truck bed, instantly freeing up space below for tools, camping gear, or extra equipment. Unlike trailers, which are often restricted by towing speed limits, a truck rack lets you travel faster and more efficiently, cutting down on travel time. Another major benefit is cost savings. No need to deal with trailer licensing, storage fees, or maintenance. Plus, your truck's hitch stays open, meaning you can tow a camper, boat, or even more toys at the same time. Designed to protect your tailgate and keep your UTV firmly in place, these racks combine convenience with durability. It's no surprise UTV enthusiasts love them. They're practical, versatile, and built for adventure. WeatherGuard. When it comes to protecting tools and equipment, WeatherGuard has built a reputation that professionals trust. With prices starting as low as $30 per box, you can choose from durable aluminum or heavy-duty steel, depending on your needs. The brand specializes in storage solutions for trucks and vans, offering everything from toolboxes and shelving to drawer units, cabinets, and ladder racks. Each product is designed to keep your gear organized, secure, and safe from theft or harsh weather. Key features like powder-coated finishes, strong automotive-style locks, and gas pistons for smooth opening make daily work much easier. For trucks, options include saddle boxes, underbed boxes, low side and super side boxes, while van users benefit from shelving systems, bulkheads, parts bins, and versatile ladder racks. Founded in 1960 by Howard Knack in Illinois, WeatherGuard has grown nationwide, combining smart design with rugged reliability for over 6 decades. Swivel Wheel Eco. If you've ever needed extra cargo space but didn't want to deal with the hassle of a traditional trailer, the Swivel Wheel Eco is a smart solution. Designed by Fastmaster Products, this transport system attaches to any vehicle with a Class 3 or higher receiver hitch. Its deck measures 48 inches wide and 57.5 inches long, giving you plenty of room for camping gear, lawn equipment, or even a scooter. Built from strong powder-coated steel, the frame is tough and rust-resistant, while 8 tie-down points keep your cargo secure on the go. Instead of bulky springs, it uses a torsion suspension with a 360-degree swivel caster wheel. This design provides a smooth ride and eliminates problems like bouncing, fishtailing, or jackknifing. It supports up to 500 pounds of cargo, sits 23 inches off the ground, and follows your vehicle effortlessly, even in reverse. Compact, stable, and easy to use, it's a clever alternative to trailers. Lion Caravan's Sabre. If you love camping but hate dealing with a messy truck bed, the Lion Caravan's Sabre might be your dream setup. Designed for modern double-cab pickup trucks, this compact camping canopy is both tough and practical. It measures about 9.5 feet long, 6 feet wide, and 7 feet high, weighing around 1,650 pounds. Built from a single fiberglass shell, it's lightweight yet strong, while its sleek, aerodynamic design cuts down on drag, saving fuel and making it easier to handle on the road. Inside, the Sabre feels like a cozy mini home. It has a fixed double bed with an upholstered headboard area for relaxing or dining. There's even a bathroom with a toilet and wet room for added comfort. Heating and hot water are built in, so you're covered in any weather. Compact, durable, and flexible, the Sabre costs around $30,180.